Stay tuned to see how I got this look. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be using my U-Part Body Wave Wig. Now this is my second attempt at using this wig. I will link the first attempt in the cards above. So I did do something a little different this time, so keep on watching. So here is the U-Part wig. It has combs on the side and clips in the front, which I absolutely love because it just helps to make the wig more secure. So the last time I attempted to style this wig, I tried to do a side part. This time I'm going for a middle part. Also, the last time I tried this U-Part wig, I did not want to straighten my hair, but of course, as you can see, I've already stretched my hair with my blow dryer. I am going to go in with a flat iron. I'm only going to do one pass. I will leave the information for the flat iron that I used in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Before using my blow dryer and the flat iron, I did go in with the Mielle Organics Mangongo Oil Style Setting Spray, and I will leave that information in the description box as well. So now that my wig is in place, I am going to do my edges and then get ready to blend. So my edges are done and my leave out is blow dried. Again, I am going to go in with the flat iron. I am only going to do one pass. So if that one pass does not get my hair straight enough, then oh well. And here's one side of my hair done. Again, I only did one pass with the flat iron, and it definitely got my hair pretty straight. Definitely has me thinking about straightening my hair soon. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and do this last section, and I'll be back for the final results. And here are my final results. I am definitely loving this look. Silk press might be in the cards for me sometime soon. We shall see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.